Just minutes ago, this landed on the doorstep, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this with you. And here are some ideas for the application of the products. Okay, so we'll take a look at that as I apply them. Thank you. Very important receipt. And oh, another one. Again, placement. Oh, how pretty. Okay, this will be very helpful. We'll again try these out with both of the palettes. I did pick up some of the eyeliners as well. And oh, we have another sample here. Coromandel. I don't know this one. Wow, it actually still feels a little bit warm from being outside. But let's take a quick sample of this. I have not looked at the notes, but it does smell fresh, but with like some woodsy notes, which you know I love. So I'm gonna let that settle in, and then I'll check out the notes as well and pair this with a look along the way. And I am currently using and loving the LeBlanc serum, so here are some samples that were included from the Sublimage Lumiere series. Apparently this skin line focuses on evening skin tone and brightening on top of the anti-aging benefits. Oh, that sounds right up my alley. And the toner lightly exfoliates with AHA, it says. Finally, to the products, of course I picked up both palettes and again, 3 of the new eyeliners. This is one of the new palettes, number 378. That looks really beautiful. When I saw it online, it looked like it was more matte, but it definitely has particles of shimmer in there. It looks like different degrees in each one, but we'll take a look at the swatch, of course. Really beautiful colors though. And I am gravitating towards more cool palettes, so I'm excited about this one. And then we have 382, the other new quad. That one's really beautiful. The sheen on that gold color, it looks really unique. So I'm excited to try that. It almost looks from here like it's got a couple of shades, but it could just be the texture of it. So really wearable, especially the shades right here. Those look really pretty. So of course, again, we will try these both on. And then I love their waterproof eyeliners, and these are 3 shades that actually I feel like they needed in their collection. I have all of the previous shades that they offered in the US. I didn't purchase any of the new formula, same shade. This is shade 42 Gris Graphite. I remember using one of their palettes, the one with all of the gray tones in it, saying I wish they had a gray eyeliner. Well, here we go. It's a beautiful gray. Definitely looks like a metallic shade. I do see some particles in there. Of course, we'll see it in the swatch as well. This one, number 46, Vert Emeraude, is actually another shade that I mentioned it would be great if they had one. It's more of a greenish shade. When I do a look with this, I'll try and remember to swatch this against other shades that I have, like Celadon. Celadon might be the closest, but I can look at other lines as well. Oh yeah, just looking at it reminds me a little bit, just from looking at it, of Black Forest by Chantecaille, perhaps. So that might be something interesting. It looks like it has a little bit more blue in it. Then we have number 56, Khaki Metal. So these look like they all have some level of shimmer in them. I don't know if I have anything else like this shade. Pretty. It looks like it has a little bit more brown in it. So that is it for my haul. Of course, I'm going to be doing looks for these in the next upcoming days. So I'll be actually filming one look right now, and then I'm going to film the next one tomorrow. So look for those videos in the coming days. But thanks so much for joining me for this unboxing. Always really exciting. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.